this is gonna be a look at. I think I got this from Best Buy, I'm not sure. It might have been B&H. I'll have it at the bottom. I think I got it at a very good price. It's a USB-C hub. I already have one, so I'm gonna keep this as a backup just in case that one goes bad. And this is gonna be a close-up look at the item. You know, I do these videos because the pictures just don't do justice on the web. You can't really get an idea of how everything looks. So I like to get it up close and personal so that you get a better idea of what you're buying. This is the paperwork. That'll be at the end. It's nice, silver. USB-C. So I have a laptop that's USB-C. It's a gaming laptop, and I'll be using this as a backup. I'll be having this as a backup. I already have one already. I might be the same brand, and it's black. And it works just fine. I only have one USB-C port on the laptop. This is plastic, shiny plastic, nice, silver, USB 3.0, and an HDMI cable, which I probably will not be using. But it's nice to have it and not need it, and need it and not have it. So this is going to be about 6 inches in length. The cable itself, the actual product, it's about that big, that long, and thickness. It's nice. Should be the light indicators here, and you plug something in. The HDMI port. It's nice. I like it. Thank you. Bye.